Metric insights in Agency Analytics help you quickly understand what's really happening behind your client's numbers. Hover over a compatible line or area chart widget and click the Insights icon in the upper right. This opens a dedicated view for that specific metric. At the top, you'll see the metric's historical performance over your selected date range. You can adjust the time frame or compare periods for additional context. Directly below, the benchmarks chart appears by default. This shows how your client compares to industry peers over the last 30 days. You'll see your value, the industry median, and the percentage of companies your agency is outperforming or underperforming. The shaded range highlights where 50% of companies fall, and you can refine the benchmark by industry or country for more accurate comparisons. A confidence score indicates the strength of the data sample. For example, the more granular you get with your industry or country filters, the smaller the available dataset, which will impact the confidence level. For deeper analysis, click the display dropdown in the top right. Enable anomalies to highlight unusual spikes or drops with red and green markers directly on the chart. Hover over any marker to see what changed and when it occurred. Enable forecasting to extend the chart with projected performance. You'll see a forecast line, along with optimistic and pessimistic scenarios, clearly separated from your historical data. To generate AI-powered insights, click the Ask AI button in the upper right. From there, you can choose options like Summarize my data or Analyze my client's performance. This provides quick, actionable analysis based on the metric you're viewing, helping you explain trends, identify opportunities, and make smarter decisions. Metric insights turn raw performance data into meaningful, actionable insights, so you can confidently communicate results and stay ahead of changes. Looking to deliver clear insights and smarter reporting? Start your free trial of Agency Analytics, the purpose-built platform agencies trust to deliver results.